So, hello everyone. Let me start this group discussion. So, the topic is very, very interesting. It's about business versus job. So, see, I'm of opinion that we can earn more money than job in business. So, see, but in practical life, it's very difficult because you need criticism to handle people. You need many much more things are there to start a business. So, it is my view related to business.
Agree with you because the one who goes with the business needs many qualities within him. He needs to explore many fields like marketing, advertising. He needs the skill of communication with the other people to handle, to know their criticism about their product. So
I
this is
think business is the backbone of economy of our country and job is engine to run that economy. But both are good at their own aspects. But I think business is far better than job because you can choose your own earnings and rewards. You are not under
Point
pressure.
she said, if you consider any job, you just have to work a particular job. That is, if your specialty is in mechanical engineering, you can't shift your focus towards computer engineering. But in a business, if your job is to supply any material, you can shift to other supply of materials as well.
I with your opinion because in business we have a lot of experience to run the business, so job is better than business.
And so I think that in business in job there are possibilities whether the job could be applied or not. But in business, if we start in the starting, there will be obstacles. But after all, if we get settled in that, there will be no obstacles rather than
Yes, it's right. Because of business, the one's level of taking risk increases, and also they increases their mental health. And because of job, there is too much pressure, and that's why mental health is disturbed. In business, in the
job because business consists of various responsibilities, and we have to handle those all responsibilities and handle the employees which have been appointed by the boss, and every obstacle should be carefully handled by the boss. And there are many ups and downs with as if business falls sometimes, and the boss have to face very loss. But in case of office, the employees have their fixed amount which is being paid by, per month.
but I disagree with her point because sometimes because of recession also many employees lose their job. But if we are in business, may the business runs at a slow speed, but it is continuous. It does not
I
stop.
feel like this that we don't need any kind of specific qualifications. Even if we don't have interest in studies, but we have a specific talent, we can invest our talent into a business, and we can grow our business and take to new heights.
I think like this that
For job we need some qualifications, and for business we don't need any qualification. We can start it at an early age, like online businesses and all.
When we doing
I agree with the opinion because in business we have many options. For example, we can extend it whenever we want. Whereas in job we have limited options. We have limited options, and we do some under boss.
I agree with him because when the person is doing job, he gets the skill to invest the money at the right time and in the right place. But if you are employee, you have to wait for the month end to get the salary, and then afterwards you will invest in it somewhere, or you will save that.
Also,
Like
in
this
business,
that if you have to start a business, so first you have to refer for job for save some monies, or side by side you will get experiences and some other knowledge of business, how to you have to set your business or all these things.
But if businesses are not there, where they will do job? Business is the root of employment.
As we all know that in business we are boss of our own. We don't have to take permission of anybody.
anybody. We can take permissions. We have our own freedoms. We can take holiday whenever we want. We don't have.
Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think when we are doing job, we can't give time to our family. We got holiday very hardly, so I prefer to doing business.
In job, we are dependent on employees. Whether if they work, then the company will grow. But in the business, we can do ourselves what we want.
There are many health issues as well. Working a 9 to 5 job, which is very hectic. There is mental stress. There is issue related to your back, sitting in one AC room with a chair and focusing only on the PC.
I disagree to his few points because in business we also have very mental pressure as the businessman has to handle each and every department, have to keep watch on each and every employee, and because of that he don't have time for his own family. He have to continue 24 hours, look at his job and handle all the business.
So see, if you want to earn more money, then you should definitely choose business instead of job. Because job give you only 1 month of salary, how much you earn. But in business, you should, if you put your 100% in it, then you can grow at much you want.
I disagree to his point. It depends especially on the skills you have, and according to your skills, even a job can give you a crore salary, and even a business can give you a monthly.
But it depends on your skill. But in business, you can work hard, you can understand the market, you can understand people mentality and everything, and then only you can go in it.
But if you have a specialty in some particular field, you will get the perfect
Yes,
job.
it is also correct. But in job, we get a lesser amount of money, what we think. But in business, we can earn much more in crores.
But we are satisfied with
No, you take it to me.
I disagree with him because with doing job we are satisfied doing limited work, limited salary.
I don't think so because in job that salary which comes, half of the we invest in our households and not that much we can.
I
I
agree.
agree because a man is full of needs. A man needs, the man is full of needs. The man can never stop his needs. If a person buys some house, then after house he will buy cars, and after car he will buy some other properties and other things. So needs don't stop for a person. So the fulfill his needs, he needs money at the current time.
So before some time, he said, I think you are going to prefer business. So business does not require any skill, he said. So do you agree with him?
Definitely.
No, definitely not.
If you have to grow your business or if you have to make your business successful, you need to have a talent. Even if you don't have that specific qualifications, you can do your business and achieve a good name in the society.
So on what ground you said that business does not require any skill?
Yes.
Business requires skills.
Requires skill.
Yes.
Okay.
At low age, we can increase our business by representing our skills, and we can grow it.
Sir, at some point, I agree to his point that business. If your business is supplying some goods and stuff, you don't require any skill like any e-commerce substance. You just need to supply.
But you will have to make contact with the customers and
Yes,
you
sir.
must have communication skills.
Yes,
Communication is one of the skills.
yes.
If you are very expert to persuade the mind of the customer, so definitely your business will grow. And if you don't have the knowledge of communication skill, how to interact with the customer, how can you persuade the customer? How can you turn the mind of the customer?
Sir,
How can you grow the business?
Sir, but there is no involvement of any technical knowledge. You just need some background knowledge, like for communicating with others.
That's very important. Communication plays very significant, very vital role in business. If the businessman is very arrogant, rude with his customer, the customer will not turn up there.
Yes, sir. I agree with you. There is a phrase where two people are selling something. One people is selling a fig and sharing about his product, and on the other hand, one person is selling gold, but he is not advertising his product. So the people will go to the person who is advertising more about his product.
Also, we don't have an example where the person is succeed in his life by doing a job. Everyone was involved in startup and starting a business and taken their name to the national level.
I think like this that she said, but some people are thinking like a businessman or woman. They think like they have power of world because of business, her business or his business.
I think that when we switch for a business, and after some time we get bored and we think that
It is possible that in business, the businessman may experience ups and downs in the business.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If you compare the job with business, so definitely, when you perform, when you prefer the job, so definitely, by doing the job, you earn the regular and fixed salary. There is no financial risk. So the person who is ready to take the financial risk can only grow the business. Otherwise, you may not.
So,
To ask a question, are you satisfied?
Yes, definitely. Because my needs are very limited. If your needs are limited, you will be always happy whatever you are earning.
so listen, my friends. I think that we should follow our passion. No job, no business. I think we should follow our passion. If sir has means sir like to teach. Then definitely sir will means make their career in teaching. They will means give their 100%. So I think please follow your passion and give your 100% in your passion and make it as your career.
Correct. He is absolutely right.
In passion, if we follow our passion, we give more time to that thing. If we like drawing or else anything, creating thing on us, then we can give more interest in that, and that's when we can earn more in that.
As he asked me very crucial question, that are you happy with your job? See, when we do a particular job, when we are appointed in particular field, if your needs are limited, isn't it? So definitely you will be happy what you are earning, isn't it? So I have my own flat, I have four-wheeler, I am able to give quality education to my child. So what I need more than this?
Yes, sir, I agree. And in job, we can do job. We have a lot of experience, and this is better for our career.
So if you consider a business, at some point there will be a saturation level, after which you cannot expand your business. But if you consider a job, you don't have any saturation point. You just keep on achieving.
But there might be more competition. But if anyone thinks if he decides to grow more, he will do anything what he wants.
So see, if you have a skill of doing work from skillful people, then definitely means if you have a skill from doing work from skillful people, means see, who is the owner of hospital, he don't know to means do any surgery or anything, but he runs everything because he has a skill to do work from skillful person. So it's the main quality.
Okay. So this is how we have discussed the topic job versus business, and everybody has expressed his or her own views in a very excellent way in this session. So I congratulate all students on your actively participation in this discussion. So I hope that in the next session also you will participate and you will express your views on the given topic. So I conclude this session here. Thank you.